Well, there's really nothing else that he can do in terms of skills, power, and speed. Manny Pacquiao has everything. One thing that Cloudy has is his advantage in size. You know, he's just one of the tough guys in sport. I'm not even sure that anybody has taken him down. I think that the possibility of Manny taking him out might be in the later round.
I think it would be safe for Manny to aim for a decision win, meaning he needs to be focused in scoring a 12 round, because scoring a knockout against Joshua Cloudy would be a big gamble, actually for any boxer for that matter. We saw that when he fought Miguel Cotto.
I'm disappointed to hear that Mayweather-Pacquiao wasn't going through. I think everybody's disappointed with that because that's the fight that everybody wants to see. The two best in this era going against each other. And with Cloudy, for me as a fighter, I want to see it because Cloudy's a tough guy. You know, as much as Manny has been there with many tough guys, Cloudy's a different kind of toughness. He's a wall. Once you break the wall, then you know you get over Cloudy. But you know, that's what Manny has to do, is break that wall with Cloudy. In terms of style, Manny has all the speed and of course definitely the power. Manny has been fighting the best out there and he definitely has experience. Now when the fight goes, I think Manny's style will run around Cloudy's because of the speed that Manny has.
Si Joshua Cloudy, he's known as a defensive fighter, no? Very prudent siya when it comes to pagdepensa. Although sa opensa, doon siya medyo nagkukulang no? For him to win this fight. I think it's more of inspiring himself, motivating himself. Kung sa skills talagang mahihirapan siya rito, kung doon lang siya aasa in fighting Manny Pacquiao.
Manny, as always, kabulo ko nga nag-training jud kagin sakto, kabulo ko nga pinakamaayo jud kastanan. So, I just wish you luck. I wish you the best. I wish you everything possible that are beautiful in this life. And most of all, God bless and Godspeed. And good luck.
Manny, maraming salamat sa ligayang binibigay mo sa ating mga kababayan. And I wish you all the best. All of us dito, mga kababayan mo, talagang nagdarasal. So maraming salamat at good luck sa iyong darating na laban.
Hi everyone, I'd like to invite all of you to catch the Pacquiao-Cloudy fight live. Do this on mysandbox.com/Pacman. Just log on Sunday, March 14 at the time of the fight, and you can catch it live beam straight from the USA. Sandbox.com is the only place where you can catch this live, exclusive, and mobile. So catch it on your Smart Bro web or on your smart mobile. Just don't forget the website, mysandbox.com/Pacman. Register Sandbox now so you can catch the fight, watch all you can for free. Thank you.